If you'll notice, it looks like the Autobot symbol. Ayan, half ng Autobot. Pero pinahaba nila to. And then, if you look at this, it looks like a face of a robot facing sideways. Ayan o, mata, ilong, bibig. Ang angas nga eh.
Kung naligaw ka sa channel ko, malamang sa malamang ay legit kang 90s kid.
Hello mga 90s, welcome back sa ating channel. Today we'll be reviewing ang KO version ni Devastator. TF Engineering, parang Gravity Builder yata ang pangalan nito. Gravity Builder is actually the name of the KO Jinbao Devastator. Wala akong nakitang name nitong specifically unit na to. So TF Engineering lang. So NBK TF Engineering, I presume this unit, Constructicons KO, is called TF Engineering unit. Tingnan natin sila one by one. Ayan, si Scrapper turns into front-end loader daw. Not familiar sa mga terms ng construction units. And then, ang susunod, si Scavenger. Excavator. Ayan yung pang-scoop niya sa debris sa construction sites. Ang susunod, si Hook, the crane, and eto yung crane niya. And ang susunod, Mixmaster. He turns into a cement truck. And then, yung Bulldozer, which is Bone Crusher. Last and not least, the like pelvis or upper legs of Devastator, si Longhold. So, ayan silang anim. Ang dami nila. And then, let's go with the box. Okay, so ayan ang box. And I really love the design of the box. Kaya, kinulak ko siya. Hindi ko siya dinestroy or tinapon. Nung nabili ko to, really in a very good condition. Kasi itong box na to is actually still within a box as well. Na makikita ninyo sa unboxing ko. Thank you sa technology natin ngayon. Na-amaze ako sa power ng Google Lens. Unlike before na kailangan mong is picturean pa ang isang item and then search the item. Actually, the fact na pipicturean mo siya noon at nahahanap yung translation through Google is actually very, very powerful tool na eh. Pero ngayon, itututok mo na lang sa lens ng ng camera mo and matatranslate mo na siya. So ayan, dahil curious ako kung anong ibig sabihin nitong mga Chinese or I think this is Chinese language here. Tinignan ko yung ano yung nakasulat dito. This one says tow truck. This one says excavator. This one says shovel. Ito, hook truck. And then bulldozer, mixer truck. KO version Devastator, NBK TF Engineering. Ayan. TF Engineering. This one, the lower part, ang ibig sabihin nito daw is 6 ultimate combinations. This one says built-in headlight, which is actually etong head ni NBK TF Engineering. Nabubuksan mo yan yung mata niya, yung ilaw ng mata niya. So, hindi na nila kailangan, pero dinagdag nila yung feature na yun, which is the eyes can glow. There's some batteries required, pero may switch to turn on the light. And maangas tingnan. They don't need to add that, but they added it. It's a single style with 3 forms. So yon, bawat unit may 3 forms siya, which could be the robot, the vehicle, and also the part of Devastator, so that they combine into one. And then this section says contains 6 individual items, and then this says deformation. So I think deformation is another term for them to say transformation. And then side of the box, ayan sila. Wala namang nakasulat na pangalan or text dito. Ayan silang anim. And eto ang maangas na itsura ni Devastator. Ayan. Robot mode, construction mode, combination mode. Ganda niya. Ayan. Same translation lang yan nung nasa isang side kanina. So, ito pala, not sure bakit sa translation it says Engineering Tiger Team. So, maybe it's somewhat like an inaccuracy sa translation. But, all goods tayo dyan. Actually, itong post na to, nagawa ko sa kanya to eh. Nung na-transform ko siya. So, ayan naman ang top portion niya. Scraper and scavenger. Not sure ba't wala yung apat. And then, sa bottom, ayan, mga parang warning or caution sign lang. Caution lang itong mga to. So, not like a description of the like history of the items included. Ayan siya. And then that box comes from this box. Yung box na na ito is actually protected by this box. So when they sent this, box was protected. Buti na lang may box na ganito kasi parang ito, tingnan nyo. During shipment siguro nagkaroon dito ng ng incident na na-damage to. Isipin nyo kung wala tong box na to, di nasira na yung box na kinokolek ko sana. So yan, kung mapapansin nyo, iba ang logo ng NBK. Ito ang logo ng mga unit sa NBK Transformers. If you'll notice, it looks like the Autobot symbol. Ayan, half ng Autobot. Pero pinahaba nila to. And then, if you look at this, it looks like a face of a robot facing sideways. Ayan, mata, ilong, bibig. Ang angas nga eh. Ayan. So, just to give you an idea, etong logo na to is actually ang logo used dito sa mga KO version ng Transformers. Ayan. Si Hook, makikita nyo, ayan ang logo niya. Nasa chest side niya. Side by side.